1. Which summit was inaugurated by the Prime Minister to boost investment in Northeast India? Answer. Rising Northeast Investors Summit 2025. Explanation. The Prime Minister inaugurated the Rising Northeast Investors Summit 2025 to attract investment and promote development in the northeastern region of India. 2. What initiative was launched by the Ministry of Home Affairs to combat cyber financial crimes? Answer. Electronic Zero First Information Report. The explanation. The Ministry of Home Affairs introduced the E0 FIR system through its Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center to expedite action against cyber financial crimes. 3. Which scheme was launched by the government to provide equity supports to MSMEs? Answer. SRI Fund Scheme. Explanation. The SRI Fund Scheme was launched to provide equity support to micro, small and medium enterprises MSMEs in India. 4. Which report highlighted that 47% of infectious animal disease have zoonotic potential? Answer. State of the World's Animal Health Report. Explanation. The World Organization for Animal Health released that the State of the World's Animal Health Report indicating that nearly half of infectious animal disease can be transmitted to humans. 5. Which day is observed on May 24 in India, commemorating the birth anniversary of Queen Victoria? Answer. Commonwealth Day. Explanation. In India, Commonwealth Day is celebrated on May 24, marking the birth anniversary of Queen Victoria. 6. Which ancient Indian medical scholars are associated with Ayurveda and surgery? Answer. Acharya Charaka and Sage Sushruta. Explanation. Charaka is known for his work in Ayurveda, while Sushruta is renowned for his contribution to surgery. 7. What environmental issue is highlighted as a threat to ocean wealth? Answer. Overfishing. Explanation. Overfishing poses a significant threat to marine biodiversity and ocean wealth. 8. What is the significance of 10th Governing Council meeting of Niti Aayog? Answer. It focuses on cooperative federalism and policy planning between the center and states. Explanation. The meeting aims to enhance collaboration between the central and state governments for effective policy implementation. 9. What traditional Indian sport was highlighted in the current affairs? Answer. Malakam. Explanation. It is a traditional Indian sport involving gymnastic postures and wrestling grips performed on a vertical wooden pole. 10. What is the role of the National Center for Polar and Ocean Research (NCPOR)? Answer. It conducts research in polar and ocean sciences. Explanation. NCPOR is responsible for India's research activities in the polar regions and the Southern Ocean. 11. What is the New Development Bank (NDP)? Answer. A multilateral development bank established by BRICS countries. Explanation. NDP aims to support infrastructure and sustainable development projects in BRICS and other emerging economies. 12. What is the purpose of the Financial Action Task Force? Answer. To combat money laundering and terrorist financing. Explanation. FATF sets international standards to prevent illegal financial activities. 13. Which African country was mapped in the current affairs for its geopolitical significance? Answer. Sudan. Explanation. Sudan's geopolitical developments were highlighted due to ongoing conflicts and humanitarian issues. 14. What report was discussed concerning energy and climate change? Answer. Energy and Climate Change Report. Explanation. The report addresses the challenges and solutions related to energy consumption and climate change impacts. 15. What is the significance of patriotism in civilians as discussed in the current affairs? Answer. It emphasizes the role of citizens in nation building and upholding democratic values. Explanation. Civic patriotism involves active participation in democratic processes and community development.